Welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to talk about how I tried RankIQ affiliate program and made $2,400 in October. Let me show you exactly what I mean. You can see on the screen that in October 2023, and I'll show you my account in just a second, but I had $1,400 in here in unpaid earnings. But the reason why I'm coming up with this number right here is because Brandon Gailey, the engineer and software owner and creator, reached out to me and said, hey, if you make 10 sales in October, I get paid $100 for each sale, right? So that's 10 sales. If you make 10 sales or $1,000 of commissions in October, we're running an affiliate special, then I'm going to double down. I'm going to pay you an additional $1,000 bonus just for being a loyal affiliate. So what did I do? I turned on my affiliate marketing skills and I promoted this product to my audience because it's a great product. I already know it's a great product. I've got good results from it in SEO. Essentially, it's a search engine optimization tool. It has keyword research built into it, it has niche selection, and it has a content optimization and content outline tool. So it really kind of solves all those needs that bloggers and especially beginner bloggers need all in under one roof. So it's a very, very excellent tool. It's already got all the accolades, all the 5-star reviews on G2. It's a software company that you're able to go and leave software reviews and so forth. So they've got a really good reputation. So it's really not hard to recommend high quality products to people. So let me show you the inside real quick of my account, and then I'm going to show you how I did this, right? So here's my account right now. This is RankIQ in First Promoter right here. And you can see all the different stats that I have. But right now I have unpaid earnings of $1,700. If we go over to payouts, you'll see that they're going to pay me out $1,400. But on top of this right here, they'll be sending me an additional $1,000. So it's going to actually be $2,400 when they pay me anytime this month. And in November, they'll pay me. I expect them paying me probably over the next 7 days. So I'll get, and this is just one opportunity, one software. And guess what? I believe I only made 4 videos that could have driven traffic to this offer. So let me go and show you what that looks like when we go over to open up a new tab right over here. I don't have anything, automatically opened up or anything like that for you. I'm going to open up YouTube right now for you. And I'm just going to come over here and let's just say I say RankIQ. So if I just type in RankIQ, just the broad term, we'll see who is ranking at the top. So right now we can look over here, and this is a kind of a flashy thumbnail. I don't hire anybody to do my thumbnails or anything. Sometimes I have some decent thumbnails, I must say. Most of the time they're not that great of you, but that's another topic. But this one does kind of really scream out, hey, rank in 4 days. And if you're in this industry where you can rank content in a matter of days on Google, which is unbelievable because a lot of people, it can take 3 to 6 to 9 months in order to get an article to start bringing in traffic and ranking. So this is definitely going to be a compelling, topic for my user base or my audience. So shocking results. Obviously, I kind of go the extra mile with the tools that I'm promoting. I did actually go and create content. I did go and rank it. So I'm not really lying. I'm telling the truth in my video about ranking my content. I keep track of my rankings and then I share that with my audience. And so if they want similar results, they can go pick up this tool because that's the tool that I used to get those results. So it's very powerful when you combine those couple things together in order to get a result. And the result is more affiliate commissions in my pocket. Okay. So what did I do? I did a little case study and I waited a couple days. And then once it popped, once it got rankings, then I was like, yes, this is golden. I can make this video. This is going to be awesome. So I created that. Right. And then, but guess what? You don't even have to do a little miniature case study like I did and actually have results. You can do other things like RankIQ step-by-step, setting up for SEO success. I got 1,500. I actually got more views on this video right here, which it was just a RankIQ updated review 4 weeks ago. I just basically opened the app and used the application and showed people how to use it. And then that was it. And it drove a lot of sales. If we open these up, right? So if I just go click on this, you'll be able to see in here in the description that that's the first link. I say, it's awesome, blah, blah, blah. and I give some social proof. It has over 7,000 Facebook members, like-minded people, and so forth. And then people can click on this. And I even created a new affiliate tracking link because I wanted to see how much traffic I'm bringing in from these videos. This is RankIQ 2023. So it's a brand new link and not the link I used earlier in the year or even last year. Okay. So we can go and check that out in a sec as well. Right now, I'll actually go do that. I'll log into my link tracker. And here's my link right over here. I'm going to go and we're going to look at the stats right over here. So this is my RankIQ brand new link that I created, right? And look, I got only 400 clicks, right? Like that's not even like thousands of clicks. I made $2,500 from just 400 clicks on my link because that is the power of YouTube. And that is what I teach. That is what I teach, is creating high quality videos, recommending good products, and then people appreciate you for it and they'll go because they need the tool. You're getting in front of people that actually need this tool in their business. And 400 free clicks, I might add. This did not cost money, only my time and attention to detail and effort. So 418 clicks, right? 352 users. That means that multiple people came back and looked at it multiple times because they, maybe were indecisive or it took them a couple times to actually make the purchase and so forth, right? So 65 countries. And then look at this, boom. I had some big spike days over 60, but look, it's been consistent traffic right here. And I pulled in all those sales and made $2,400. United States leading the way at 129 visits right over here. And then Germany, India, United Kingdom, Canada, very tier 1 traffic, high quality traffic. I can track, all the different browsers that people use and so forth, and the different operating systems and so forth, right? So people were purchasing this from their mobile phones, Android. Look at this. People made purchases from Android. So super cool stuff. Got some really good clicks on that. All right. So I'm going to go back over here to YouTube and we're going to go and look at that other video right over here. And it was the same link, I believe. When we come over here, it's the same link right over here. You can see. And then I just showed my results right there, right? But these are 20-minute long videos. I mean, I'm putting in the effort. Don't get me wrong. I am putting in the effort, and that's what I recommend you do as well. Don't halfway do it, right? Don't put in a small amount of effort and expect big results. It just doesn't work like that, okay? We can come down, and I had a couple other videos. So if I come down, we'll just click on LearnWire real quick and go to videos. And I want to see, because I believe there's a couple more videos when we scroll down here, right over here. Unbelievable. These two AI tools rank my video. And here's the cool part, guys. So we had this video right over here, and then we had this video right here. And it might have only been 3 unless I talk about it in this one right over here. Okay, good. So we have these videos right here. We have this RankIQ video, and then we have this Rank in 4 Days RankIQ video. And then right up here, these 2 AI tools, and it was RankIQ as well. And then I was like a couple sales short, and I had about 5 days left. So what did I do? I was like, I'm going to create one more video. What topic can I produce? What topic can I talk about? Because there's different things inside of RankIQ. So I said, hey, let's create a video that's only about RankIQ keywords, because they're so good at keyword research. And so they leave the guesswork out. Like, you don't have to go and hire somebody to do keyword research for you. You don't have to do a whole bunch of analysis on your keywords, because RankIQ already does all that for you. And so I basically prove that in here by testing their keyword research against other SEO tools. And 9 times out of 10, the keywords that they have in there are easy to rank keywords in other tools as well. So I created this how good are RankIQ keywords as a last, ditch effort, because I needed a couple more sales. And look at same link right here, RankIQ. And I hit my mark and then some. I actually made a few more sales as well. Even when November 1st hit, I knew I had already made enough sales. I made 14 sales, right? Because that's $1,400. And then they're going to add $1,000 on that. So there's where that $2,400 comes from right in here, right? So I had 14 sales. But then I kept making sales, you know, like when we go over to the dashboard, there's 1,700. That means I've already made 3 more sales in November for my efforts in October. And that's why I love affiliate marketing. That's why I love YouTube, because it's a search engine. These videos live on and people will find them and still check them out weeks, days and weeks, and even months after you produce the content. So that is my little secret, is that I created a couple of videos, very intentional, going after these types of topics and keywords. Some of them were very intentional about getting like RankIQ traffic, like RankIQ step by step right over here. So I would rank for RankIQ when people type that in, right? And then kind of some click-worthy or clickbaity kind of type titles is what I would call them. Something that people want to click on and watch. Create a kind of buzzing, really big text thumbnail, and then shocking results right here. And I got rankings, right? And then also some tutorial-based. This is literally just a tutorial and opinion-based video, right? It's just walking them through how to do keyword research and RankIQ. And then I made sales from that, right? So that's how I uniquely created these 4 videos. And I got the traffic that I needed, 400. It converted really well because it's a semi-high ticket item at $100. Got steady traffic all through the month. And then I led them to, you know, they wanted the tool. They went and bought it, and here is the result. So this is just one tool, right? This is not how I make all my money. There is a lot of other examples I can give, but this one was really, really cool and stood out in October. Love to share it with you. If you want to learn more about how I build YouTube channels, I'm actually going to be building a brand new YouTube channel around one software that gets millions of, you know, has millions of people that use the tool and that are interested in it. And I'm going to show my community and audience how easy it actually can be. I'm just going to put my money where my mouth is. I'm going to create another YouTube channel from scratch, and I'm going to share it with my 6-figure Freedom Club audience. They're going to get to see me create the channel, create the videos, start getting traffic, ranking, and start getting views and subscribers. And then I'm going to show them how I'm going to actually make money from it as well. And so that is going to be inside the 6-figure Freedom Club. Tomorrow we have our first webinar. It's actually right over here, November webinar 1. That's actually tomorrow. So that is on Wednesday, November 8th. And we're going to be talking about niche selection and how to find a profitable niche for yourself and finally make a decision, because that is one of the number one things that holds people back. They can't start because they hold themselves back because of like analysis paralysis. They can't make a decision on what niche. They have that fear that they will pick the wrong niche, and then 6 months will go by and then they won't make any money, right? And so I am going to be going over that in our webinar tomorrow. But remember, you can get fast track started. You get access to YT Affiliate Blueprint if you want to join my unique, exclusive, brand new community that I just launched last week. And we already have almost 30 members that have joined, and they are already getting good results. They're watching the content. There's testimonies of people that have been trying to do niche selection for a very long time, and they've struggled with it. But then when they went and watched YT Affiliate Blueprint in here, this niche picking mastery video right here that is 20 minutes long, this really, really explains things really well and will get you your niche picked out right away. And so this is my community. It is a paid community. It's $27 a month, but I believe that if you join this community and you are positive and hopeful and optimistic, and you come with a mindset that you want to learn and apply the skills and knowledge that you do learn from this community, then I believe that this is the last thing that you need online in order to start making money online, especially with YouTube and affiliate marketing. So the link will be below. You want to go and sign up to 6-figure Freedom Club. I'd love to have you inside the community and for you to be the next success story. All right. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.